Alright guys, welcome back to the Northern Arizona Outlaw channel. Today is when we start the front bumper for the new edge that we just talked about in the last video. I feel like this is going to be a nightmare. So this will be a montage of basically trying to get every bit of plastic dip off of this front bumper, because I was too cheap to go buy $1,000 bumper, and so I got this one for a lot less. Is it going to be worth it? We're going to find out. So you guys stay tuned and watch to see how bad this is going to be. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be right back with you. Depends on if we're going to try different things. We're going to try a heat gun and see if I can peel it off first. to take a quick pause because I had to take the fog lights out. And I did that because I don't know if this is plastic dip or if it's wrapped. I don't know, you guys tell me. It's weird. But I've never plastic dipped and I've never wrapped, so I couldn't tell you what it feels like or how it would come off. But the heat gun started me off pretty good. I got it hot enough, and then now it's just kind of coming off in one piece, hopefully. But so far, it's actually coming off better than I thought it would. The beginning was not so promising, but just guys keep watching, I guess. Okay, back with you guys. I had to move it because it was starting to rain, and I don't have a shop. So the tarp covered carport is just gonna have to do because I'm trying to get this done, and it's really driving me insane without having good days and no weekends off to do this. So that was pretty satisfying, not gonna lie. That was a lot of work to pull just that little part off. So I don't know, you guys will have to comment down below. Is this a wrap or is it, I guess plastic would be like a rubber when it would come off, right? I don't know. I know, I just don't like it. So I guess we'll just keep on rolling. Do I trust the rain? Move it outside for you guys to at least see it. So I hate not having a shop. But that's okay. I'll live with it. We'll come back outside. Okay guys, well, I think this is a end point for me because it's starting to rain once a freaking again, and my fingers are really killing me. Like, you have no idea, that one small section that I did on this bumper is killing my fingertips from just peeling and peeling and peeling. And so I don't know, I may post this to show you guys what kind of hassle it is to do something like this. Not a lot of times you run into a situation like that. You just buy one, like I probably should have, but for a couple $100 that I paid for this, I saved, you know, $800-900 for a brand new one that I would have had to have prepped anyway to paint. So, and plus, There's no fun. This is not fun, but, you know, it's fun. So I'm going to post this one, guys, for you and kind of show you the rundown on kind of a pain in the butt this was to really do. It actually is coming off a lot easier than I thought. And so props for that. But it's, I don't know, it's weird. Some of it comes off like a wrap. Like, I think it's a wrap. Never wrapped anything in my life, so I couldn't tell you. And then some, like right here, comes off like a plastic dip, like a rubber. And I've taken some of that off before. So I don't know, it's weird. But whoever did do it, I will say they prepped it really good before they actually wrapped it or plastic dipped it or whatever the hell they did. So, well, if you like what you see, I'm going over here where it's not raining. There. This was my makeshift that you see part of the video in. But, yeah, if you like what you guys see, I'm going to put that where it's not going to get wet. Doesn't matter. It's been outside for the past 4 months. Anyway, I'm going to get it in. Kind of did more than I thought I would on that bumper, to be quite honest with you. Get it all prepped, and either the next video is going to be me of doing the rest of it, or I may not waste your guys' time like mine and basically show you the rundown on the body prep that I need to do to it. There's some blemishes on it that I've noticed already that are pretty bad. The bottom I'm not really too worried about. I live on a dirt road anyway. But like underneath the fog light, there's a cracked piece. There's some cracked pieces that I can fix and mold back together and spot putty some of that and prime it, paint it. I'm not looking for the best looking bumper. I just want it black to match the car, because later it's not going to look the same anyway. Next couple years, it's not going to be black anymore. It'll be a different color. And that's going to be the biggest thing later, is I'm just going to put on the stuff and make it look the best I could with the time and the small amount of money it costs to do it, and just drive it. That's what I bought it for, right? So hope you guys like what you see. Like, subscribe, and follow our content. And we do a lot of different things. We have the Mustang, my Super Duty, Jeep. Just empty every one of those pockets of mine and just buy a Jeep. It's such a great idea. Thanks, Ben. Shout out to Mountain Crawlers, because he's kind of the influence on why I got the Jeep. It was a really good deal. I couldn't pass that up for the guy wanting to trade me for it. So, but I had a lot of fun in it, I will say that. So, one day we'll have to get out there with the Mountain Crawler guys and go have a blast and have fun with family and film along the way. So hope you guys like what you see, and see you guys in the next one. Later.